Of odd even's second phase in Delhi, commuters continued to complain of inconvenience. A petition was filed in Delhi High Court against app-based taxi services Ola and Uber for charging exorbitant fares during the odd-even experiment. Court asked the Delhi government to explain the action that it has taken in the case so far. Meanwhile, taxi aggregators Ola and Uber have suspended surge pricing after the Delhi government threatened to cancel permits for charging higher than prescribed fares.
This is what the roads looked like when Delhi Heights left for office on Monday morning. 3 days after the second phase of odd-even scheme came into effect, Monday was the real test of the car rationing system. There did not appear any significant reduction of cars on the roads. At some places, people even had to face traffic jams.
आज और दिन से भी मेरे को ज़्यादा जाम की समस्या से जूझना पड़ा है। जो 10 या 15 मिनट का रास्ता यहाँ तक होता था, आज सवा 1 घंटे से भी ज़्यादा मेरे को हो गया है और आईटीओ पूरा विकास मार्ग पूरा जाम से मेरे को जूझना पड़ा। ओड इवन का हमें तो इसका कुछ फ़ायदा हुआ नहीं है।
आज ज़्यादा इधर की तरफ था आपका शिवालिक रोड पे, मुनीरका वाली रोड पे।
Meanwhile, DTC buses and metro were crowded on Monday despite increased frequency.
आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा अपेक्षा था, पहले कम रहता था
और दिनों के मुकाबले तो थोड़ी ज़्यादा थी।
Despite Monday being an even day, a number of people were seen on the roads driving odd number cars. They had to pay a penalty of 2,000 rupees. BJP MP Vijay Goel was also fined by the traffic police. In his defense, Goel said he is not against the odd-even scheme but wants to register protest against the Delhi government for wasting crores of rupees that belongs to the people in advertisements of their government in the garb of odd-even scheme.
मेरा ये सांकेतिक विरोध इस बात के लिए कि दिल्ली की जनता का सैकड़ों करोड़ों रुपया अपने प्रचार और प्रसार के लिए लगा दिया गया। मैं चाहता हूं दिल्ली सरकार ऑड इवन स्कीम के नाम पर अपना प्रचार, अपनी पब्लिसिटी पूरे देश के अंदर नहीं करे। ये जनता के टैक्स के कमाई के पैसे की है।
Delhi High Court issued a notice to the state government in response to a petition on the issue of arbitrary surge in tariff by app-based taxi services like Ola and Uber while odd-even scheme is in force. The court asked what step is the state government taking to address the menace. Delhi government has promised strict action against taxi service providers charging more than government prescribed rates. High Court said the common man cannot be left suffering on the road. The Delhi government must hold talks with the cab service providers and find a solution. The next hearing in the matter is on 25th April. In a bid to fend off the dissatisfaction among Delhi Heights, Transport Minister Gopal Rai made an appeal to the commuters to register their complaints at 011 424 00400 against exorbitant fares charged by the app-based taxi service providers. This is the second time that Delhi is experimenting with the odd-even scheme in an effort to combat air pollution. Girish Nishana's report, DD News, Delhi.